Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unfriend someone on Yubo. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open Yubo on your mobile device. Tap on the profile icon at the top right of your screen. Tap on Friends. Tap on the profile of the user that you want to unfriend. You can see a report icon at the top right of your screen. Tap on it. Select Unfriend. Tap on Unfriend. And that's it. This is how you unfriend someone on Yubo. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.